From architectural models to artificial human organs, 3D printing technology can produce or replicate tangible objects with specific functions. With more 3D printers now being available on the market, companies and individuals are considering adopting this breakthrough technology. The potential applications and trend forecast for 3D printing technology is increasing rapidly in today's day.
Want to rein in the proliferation of so-called ghost guns. Anyone from a criminal to a terrorist can buy this kit in as little as 30 minutes, put together a weapon.
3D printing technology is expected to play a crucial role as a tech trend in the coming years, with the potential to produce any prototype and even manufacture objects for practical use. The industrial demand for 3D printers is rising at a global level. The pandemic also contributed to the push for the accessibility of 3D printing technology, as people seek personalized equipment and a more efficient supply chain, a solution 3D printers can offer. While 3D printing technology is well known for its common purpose of producing simple prototypes in industrial domains, such as car manufacturing or architecture, there are now 3D printers that are even capable of creating artificial human organs for medical necessities. These new technological innovations have the potential to influence any industry and could disrupt traditional production and manufacturing processes. Let's learn more about 3D printing. While conventional printers are designed to print two-dimensional graphics on pieces of paper, 3D printing produces a three-dimensional object from its digital model by adding layers of thin material on top of each other. Hence, the outcome would be a tangible object. Once a 3D digital model is created through a software program of the user's choice, it will be divided into slices of thin layers of material for the 3D printer to read. The printer will then receive this file and print the design by layering the appropriate material. Materials may vary depending on the type of the printer or the final object. Common ones include functional plastics, metals, ceramics, and sand. Research is being conducted on the use of biomaterials to even produce edible objects through 3D printing technology. Applications. Although 3D printing is commonly used for the creation of prototype designs, recent developments have expanded its possible applications, inviting many different industries to adopt and invest in this technology.
And when it comes to printing human body parts, the future is already here.
Organ bioprinting. One of the notable sectors 3D printing is disrupting is the medical field, addressing the critical global shortage of organs available for transplantation. This emerging technology harnesses the power of 3D printing to create artificial organs by precisely layering cells and biomaterials. The potential impact of organ bioprinting cannot be overstated, as it offers hope to countless patients awaiting life-saving organ transplants. One noteworthy player in this field is Cyfuse, a Japanese startup at the forefront of organ bioprinting research. They are diligently working on developing a 3D printer tailored for the production of three-dimensional cellular products with real-world applications. This innovative approach enables the construction of customized organs, perfectly matched to a patient's unique anatomy, significantly reducing the risk of rejection and the need for immunosuppressive drugs. As technology advances, the possibilities are immense. Artificial heart, kidneys, livers, and more could become a reality.
This is the first time that the whole cellular heart with blood vessel is printed.
Transforming healthcare by making organ transplants more accessible and reducing the long waiting lists. Moreover, this breakthrough has the potential to open new avenues in drug testing, disease modeling, and personalized medicine, ushering in a new era of healthcare where 3D printing plays a pivotal role in saving lives and improving patient outcomes. Personalized pharmaceuticals. It represents an exciting frontier in the pharmaceutical industry, and 3D printing technology is poised to be a transformative force in this arena. The traditional pharmaceutical manufacturing process is often characterized by mass production of one-size-fits-all medications. However, 3D printing holds the promise of revolutionizing drug production by enabling the creation of medications with unique dosages, shapes, sizes, and release characteristics tailored to individual individual patients.
Instead of giving a standard medication, we give the best medicine for each patient.
One of the pioneering companies in this field is Aprecia, an American pharmaceutical company spearheading research and development efforts in 3D printed medications. Aprecia's groundbreaking ZipDose registered trademark technology showcases the potential of 3D printing in pharmaceuticals. It allows for the creation of high-dosage medications that disintegrate rapidly in the mouth, offering a convenient and precise dosing mechanism. This innovation is particularly beneficial for patients who have difficulty swallowing pills or require precise dosage adjustments. The implications of personalized pharmaceuticals are profound. Patients can receive medications that are optimized for their specific needs, increasing treatment efficacy while minimizing side effects. This approach also has the potential to streamline drug development, reduce manufacturing costs, and accelerate the delivery of life-saving medications. As the pharmaceutical industry continues to embrace 3D printing technology, we can anticipate a future where medications are tailored to individual patients, ushering in a new era of healthcare customization and improved patient outcomes.
In the future, this technology will play a major role in the pharmaceutical industry.
Food shortage solutions. In Australia, groundbreaking research is underway to harness 3D printing technology for food production using pureed biomaterials. Beyond the aesthetic appeal of such creations, this innovative approach holds the potential to address critical challenges like food shortage and dysphagia. As sustainability and global hunger take center stage in global discussions, these technological advancements in 3D printing offer a glimmer of hope. By using 3D printers to fabricate nourishing and visually appealing food, researchers aim to revolutionize food production and distribution. This has the potential to increase the efficiency of food manufacturing while reducing waste, making it a sustainable solution to combat food scarcity. Moreover, for individuals with dysphagia or difficulty swallowing, custom-made, soft-textured foods could significantly enhance their quality of life. As the world grapples with the complex issues of food security and nutritional challenges, the fusion of 3D printing with food production exemplifies how technology can lead the way in addressing these critical global concerns.
It's a way to create all kinds of food textures and things we couldn't even imagine.
Recyclable Footwear. It is produced through 3D printing technology and is a promising solution in the quest for sustainable, eco-friendly products. Fused Footwear, a forward-thinking shoe manufacturer based in Hong Kong's Maker Hive, has pioneered this approach. They employ thermoplastic elastomers as their primary material in crafting sneakers using 3D printers.
Using thermoplastics, that is, a plastic that can be melted and reused,
thereby reducing waste and environmental impact. Founded by Philippe Holtweisen, Fused Footwear embodies a vision of merging aesthetics with sustainability. Their commitment to environmental responsibility is evident in their unique customer initiative. They offer a 20% discount on new pairs of sneakers to customers who return their old mono-material sneakers. This circular economy model not only promotes recycling, but also encourages conscientious consumption. As concerns for environmental conservation and sustainable practices continue to grow, innovative companies like Fused Footwear demonstrate the potential of 3D printing technology to reshape industries, offering consumers both stylish and eco-conscious options for everyday products like footwear.
with this you design it in 3D and you can print it for a relatively low cost.
Barriers to technological advancements. As cutting-edge as this technology seems, 3D printing still has a long way to go before becoming mainstream. One major restraint is high material cost. This is a difficult problem for manufacturers to solve because costs are due to the higher standards of purity and composition required for 3D printing. There are also legal barriers to 3D printing. Although the technology itself may not seem problematic, legally speaking, inappropriate use of 3D printing may offend a person's intellectual property. Moreover, several governments are against the mass utilization and distribution of 3D printers, as they have the potential to create firearms and other weapons.
Well, a sudden rise in the number of untraceable guns has law enforcement scrambling to react.
Yeah, they're called ghost guns.
With 3D printing technology expected to become an influential tech trend in the future. There you go, it worked. Resolutions including appropriate regulations should be prioritized in order for it to further develop. Well, I am sure you are going to love to watch our video about the future of transportation on our channel. Make sure to subscribe to us and never miss our amazing videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.